Welcome to Docs Made Easy. In this video, we'll guide you on automating document gen with Docs Made Easy. To get started, open the Document Setup tab in the app. Here, you'll find two options: Quick Start and Document Automation Wizard. Choose the second one. Now, fill in the required information in the first step, including the solution name, selecting a Salesforce object, and providing a description. Then click Create. A pop-up message about the document query feature will appear. Click OK to proceed to the second step, which involves setting up SOQL queries. Click Next. Click on Create New Document Template. A window will open for you to upload your template. Provide the necessary information, including the name and description. Upload the file and save it. Your template is now added. Click Next. Click on Generate File from Behavior Settings in the left panel. Fill in the file name, click Save, and then Next. Add the button to the page layout. In the top right corner, click the Settings button and select Setup to be redirected to the Salesforce Setup homepage. From the search menu, find Flow. Click on Flows under the Process Automation drop-down options and add a new flow. You'll be redirected to the Flow Builder page. Choose Start from Scratch or use a template according to your requirement, then click Next. Select the type of flow. You will see several options. Choose Record Triggered Flow or another as per your requirement, then click Create. Choose Freeform on the right sidebar. Click on the red marked boundary area to proceed to Configure Start Process. Select an object, configure the trigger, and click Done. From the Elements options, choose Actions and drop it on the Freeform section. Select the action displayed, fill in the required information, set input values. Select the action displayed, fill in the required information, set input values. And now, from the menu bar, select Document Solutions and click Document Generate. Copy the highlighted part from the URL, paste it into the Document Solutions ID in the Flow Builder's new action step. Enable Record ID, search for Triggering Account, choose Account ID, and click Done. Add the Apex Action button to the Open Flow Trigger Explorer for the account. Save the flow, fill in the flow label and API name, save and click Activate to activate the record-triggered flow. Go to your Docs Made Easy account, search for Accounts from the app launcher, click on it, and then click New. Fill in the required information and save the new account. Once your new account is created, click on Notes and Attachments and refresh the page. You will see your generated file. Click on it to download the file. Now you are ready to automate document generation in no time. Thanks for watching.